Housekeeping.
I enjoy to work inside a hotel and earn money to give my parents. Hello, I'm Madhava. I'm 19 this year.
I'm Madhava's dad. This program was introduced to us by the SG Enables job coach. He told us that there's this train and place program. He asked if we would like to join in for a course to be in the hospitality line. So we quickly took up the offer itself. Madhava has a background of hospitality line during his school days. We thought that this could be another level for him to extend his knowledge.
So at the start, my clients have no understanding of what housekeeping is. Through the training, I also go there to actually support them and also support the trainers by educating my clients on this is what a hospitality means, by making the place clean and also making the guests feel more comfortable when you see them.
Rather than just confining him to a training room, he was exposed to the actual workplace that he will be deployed to. So for his case in the hospitality line, he will be at a hotel. So he gets insight of the actual workplace, how is it going to be.
When I first got to know Madhava, he's very reserved, but subsequently through our Train and Place program, which is a 6-week program, I noticed that he has a lot of potential. He follows instruction, he's able to do the task well, and he has enthusiasm, which is very important, and these are the service excellence requirement for us with the hospitality industry.
So now he's broadened his friend circle. He has people he can message, WhatsApp. So and this gives me a bit of a comfortable feeling that he is also growing like others.
Congratulations, Christy. You look at the camera.
Do not be afraid to hire people with disabilities. So through time and through practice, employers can see that even people with disabilities can definitely do better and become a dedicated member to the team.
Oh, look at that signature smile that takes the boy.